Hello everybody, welcome to Hardware Set Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to find and manage display settings on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So let's start. To find your display settings, open up your settings, and as you can see here, display and brightness, open it up, and what can you manage right here. So starting off with changing a mode from a light to dark, or from a dark to light, basically. You can schedule it, so it will change on a time. Here you can adjust your brightness manually, or turn on the auto brightness, so your brightness will adjust automatically to your environment and activities. Here you can change your screen color mode, so vivid, natural, or choose from a color palette, basically. Next thing is Eye Comfort and Sleep. So basically here you can turn on bedtime mode, so it will automatically adjust the screen color to warmer tones after sunset to improve your sleep quality. Here you can just turn on the Eye Comfort and schedule it, basically. So as you can see, the screen brightness is turning more warm. The next thing is font. Here you can change the font size, font weight, and turn on the adaptive font weight. Here is the display size, so basically you can choose from large, standard, and small. You can turn on the auto rotate screen. You can adjust your auto screen off, so basically from 15 to 30 minutes, 50 seconds to 30 minutes. Here you can change your screen refresh rate from auto select to standard and high, and full screen for apps, so basically you can just hide front camera and enable and disable full screen display. So basically that's it, that's all the display settings on your OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.